Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to remove your Gmail account from your device. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at the easiest way to remove your Gmail account from your phone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Gmail. Now, click on your profile at the top right corner. Click on Manage Account on this device, and you can see all your accounts over here. So click on Remove from this device. So you can click on Remove from this device, and you can see remove from this device. Just click on remove, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.